Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to hear about an incredible NFT collection of the legend Bruce Lee that, as you all know, his name is just growing and growing every single day. So maybe his art piece will be worth more and more every single day it is going. So if you want to take part of this incredible opportunity and maybe use this opportunity to make some money, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so before we get into this incredible NFT collection, let's talk about what is Ethernity. So Ethernity is a groundbreaking authenticated NFT project which auctions verified artwork featuring the top artists and stars from sports, film, gaming, tech, history, and entertainment, and much more. Now, each of these digital artwork is represented as a non-fungible token, as an NFT, and the pieces feature well-known public figures, and a portion of all the funds that is raised is actually going to be donated to charitable causes. Now, Ethernity combines the utility of DeFi and merges it with NFTs to create an exclusive pipeline to rare collectible connect from notable figures and well-established digital artists. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, actually Ethernity chain, which is ERN, has a market cap of over $100 million and had a volume in the past 24 hours of over $23 million. And currently the circulating supply is over 12 million. So it's actually 43%. So as you can see, they have a lot more to grow. Now, if you want to get their token, you can get the ERN in Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, and QuickSwap. Now, as you can see in here, one of the upcoming NFTs drops is going to be Bruce Lee, the Formless Form collection, which is incredible. Now, Bruce Lee is the legendary martial artist who actually transacted the fighting form to become a collectoral icon across the medium and borders worldwide. Now, Ethernity actually has partnered with Bruce Lee's family company to launch his debut NFT collection with world-renowned artists like Jerry Garcia, Boss Logic, and Anthony Francisco to memorize their rise and dominance in Bruce Lee's martial arts career. Now, Jerry Garcia is one of the best-known digital sculptors in the world and contribute to some of the most successful franchises in the world and winning many awards over the years, including Best Art Director, Best Digital Sculptures, and Video Game of the Year awards. Garcia launched his career as a traditional sculptor, but transitioned to digital sculpting after discovering the power of immortalism his subjects in digital stone. Now, by the way, Raph was one of the top selling artists in Christie's Proof of Salvatore auction and also Sotheby's Contemporary Cured auction. Now, the second artist is Anthony Francisco. Now, as a senior visual development artist at Marvel Studio for almost a decade, Anthony Francisco designed some of the most beloved characters in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, including Baby Groot, Ragnarok from Thor, and Dora from the Black Panther. For 20 years now, his design work spans other collectibles such as cards for Magic and Gathering, create creatures for video games like Gears of War, and much more. Now, the third artist is Boss Logic. Now, Boss Logic is an Australian artist gaining strandom through the wide world of social media, who has gained popularity through the eponymous entertainment industry. And actually, with millions of follower support, Boss Logic is deemed as one of the most popular, influential artists in Australia and beyond. And the artist collaborated with Ethernity on its first pre-launch NFT series. Now, Bruce Lee's The Formless Form NFT collection is going to be dropped in the 8th of January. So if you want to stay notified and have a chance to purchase some of this incredible NFTs that you're going to see in a minute, make sure to register as fast as possible. And actually, Ethernity is very proud to announce Bruce Lee collection, as you can see in here, which is the legendary martial art artist who cut across cultures, customs, and art. And in Bruce Lee way, one body, mind, and spirit must work together in harmonious interplay. And he trained his mind and cultivated his energy just as proactively as he trained his body. Now, his most tenets or philosophies demonstrated this interchained ability and collaboration of method and utilized all of these ideas through his mind. And what he thought, imagined, and believed, and body, what he did, expressed, and shared, his spirit, his sincerity, authenticity, authenticity, and impact. Now, as you see, this is a very detailed and high quality NFT. So if you want to have the chance to hold one of them and actually be the owner of one of these NFTs, make sure to sign up to their pre-launch that is going to be on the 8th of January. Now, here are some examples of the Bruce Lee collection that will drop in the future. So in here, as you can see, the dragon, which is incredible. Here's the warrior that looks very unique. Here's the vortex. And here's the Cosmos. Now, if you want to take part of this incredible pre-launch of Bruce Lee, the Formless Form, that is going to be on the 8th of January, go to Ethernity.io by clicking the link down below. Click here on register, fill in your email to stay notified about all the details and the future details of all the collections that is going to be. And if you want to go to Ethernity to see other collections as well, in order to understand the enormous potential that you have in this project of Bruce Lee, make sure to go to their marketplace. As you can see in here, you can scroll down and you can search by filters, whether it's on the Ethereum network or the Polygon network. Now, one last thing, if you want to take part of a pre-launch, make sure to sign up as fast as possible in order to have the best chances to be whitelisted and get the best prices possible in order to enjoy the benefits of also holding something that has value, or if you want to sell it in the future with profit. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.